Ladies and gentlemen, I am StooDogg. I thought it was a good idea to maybe have a stand here and we could talk about YouTube Shorts, the new feature that the platform has been pushing in front of people. However, to truly understand YouTube Shorts and the meaning behind it, we need to look at another social media platform. That platform is called TikTok. TikTok, a viral social media video platform, mainly designed for short form videos, seconds long, less than a minute long sort of videos filmed in portrait mode. TikTok has been under a lot of fire, with issues ranging from online bullying and harassment of people on the platform, through to issues of child predation from people using the platform, moving into its shady links with the Chinese government, the company that owns TikTok being Chinese. It's been theorized that TikTok violates the privacy of its users and gives their information to the Chinese government. This has seen the app banned in India and Pakistan, as well as being banned within the US military. It's even found its way into speeches by US President Donald Trump. The situation and issues that TikTok has is no doubt under very close examination by tech giants within the sectors of viral video. Companies that are waiting to see if TikTok will be pushed away and trying to work out what sort of power vacuum would remain if TikTok as an app was removed from the space. Companies such as Microsoft could develop a short video app and move into such a space if TikTok were gone. A space, a vacuum, where people would want a platform to upload video content, short video content, which moves us into popular video uploading website YouTube. YouTube has moved into the short video market. YouTube has released a shelf within its app where people can upload short form video with its new feature imaginatively named as YouTube Shorts, a feature on mobile devices for users to view. The short shelf will display videos that are less than a minute long, that are filmed in portrait mode, and users can scroll on their device to find this shelf, and if they wish, they can consume this short content if it's something that they feel is of value to them. For the uploaders of short content, there are, of course, pros and cons. The pros: virality, ladies and gentlemen. Early adopters of this feature have a ground floor opportunity to possibly go viral on the short shelf. The cons? Well, ladies and gentlemen, any content viewed using the short shelf will not count towards the monetization of a channel, the 4,000 watch time hours. If content is viewed on that short shelf, the watch time won't count towards the thresholds. However, if short videos are viewed just normally using a computer on someone's channel, then they will count towards the thresholds. Also, no ads are served on the short shelf when people are using that part of the site to view the short videos. However, as stated before with the thresholds, if the videos are viewed on another device, like on your computer just sitting watching YouTube, then ads may be served there. Mainly the delivery method, the Shorts launcher, doesn't give you those things, but it does stand that anything there could be viewed with a virality. There could be a lot of views, so it's a good place to put ads for your channel channel trailers that are quite short, ads for upcoming videos. I've played about with that a few times myself, ladies and gentlemen, as you may have seen on my channel. The potential issues with shorts, ladies and gentlemen, not functional issues like what we just spoke about, but more quality issues. Well, ladies and gentlemen, low quality rubbish content might suddenly become viral. Stuff like this could encourage bad actors to just upload rubbish. People like FaZe Primarina, who would use portrait mode short videos to basically just spout abuse at people. Stuff like that, ladies and gentlemen.
Dude, fuck off, dude. Okay, dude, there's... See how many cousin twins are us? I think like 4 of us in life, but there's more than us. Dude, so... You do not want to mess with me too, dude.
Also, due to the similarities to TikTok, e.g. short form content in portrait mode, well, this could lead to people repurposing TikToks and just uploading them to YouTube. Essentially, content stolen from TikTok or content that is on TikTok could just start piling up on YouTube. As such, this would go against the YouTube term and condition of reused content. Essentially, this shelf could start filling up YouTube with just random junk content, just scrapyard sort of rubbish, ladies and gentlemen. So the short feature, as is usual with YouTube, is a double-edged sword. Personally, I think it seems to be a good idea for video and channel promotion. Video trailers, channel trailers. But apart from that, very little benefit to the creator ecosystem as a whole. Moving on to YouTube's lack of transparency and lack of telling their creators about things like this, let's move on to someone who has seen quite a deal of virality with the YouTube Shorts feature. A channel by the name of Tara Brown Beauty saw sudden random viral success through the YouTube Short feature. Views on the short shelf resulted in 30,000 hours of watch time, which is brilliant, ladies and gentlemen. However, that watch time will not be counted towards her monetization threshold. At this time, she is not monetized because YouTube says no. YouTube will not be counting the 30,000 hours of view time through the short shelf towards her thresholds. Just because YouTube doesn't want to count shorts watch time towards monetization thresholds, it would seem that some watch time is more equal than other watch time. Ladies and gentlemen, this sounds entirely unfair to this young lady's channel because she's obviously put in quite a lot of work and she does product reviews, products that she purchases with her own money, I might add, and is basically just doing so for free. Now, yes, people might say that, oh, it's YouTube, it's just a hobby, but this is a person who has surpassed what it has been requested of her to get into monetization from YouTube, and YouTube have simply turned round and just said no for literally no reason. Another punch in the face for hard-working and honest creators, ladies and gentlemen. A punch in the face for creators who are heavily invested in their channels. That is the double-edged sword of YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, if you've used this feature and have opinions on it, please feel free to put them in the comments below. I'd love to do a follow-up video about this, so your comments could be the foundations of that video. If you feel that you liked this video and it brought some knowledge or information to you, please feel free to hit the like button down below, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe for future updates. And of course, if you dislike the video and you hate my guts and you're a spam bot, feel free to hit the dislike button. Anyway, I have been StooDogg, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.